Chinamata Waterfalls is found in Vumba Botanical Gardens in Manicaland province of Zimbabwe. This waterfalls is accessible by high-rise cars or by a hike. You can hike from the Botanical Gardens and walk 3.5 down and 3.5 kilometers back, or if you've got those high cars 4x4s or a high-rise, you can drive down and then only hike less than 200 meters to the waterfall. The waterfall is beautiful, runs throughout the year, and you pay $5 at the Vumba Botanical Gardens to enter if you're a local, and you can enjoy this scenic view, which can be seen and enjoyed. Some people go there and do some swimming and enjoy it. The hike is not for the faint-hearted or the weak, because it's easy going down, as you'll be going down steep, a steep incline going down. Coming back, you feel it. You need to be fit and strong so that you can be able to walk. As you can see, this beautiful waterfall is there. You can go enjoy it. You can sit down, have a picnic, and yeah, it's one of the areas where one of the Zimbabwean musicians, Pressure, shot his video there, and it's beautiful. Around the Vumba Botanical Gardens, you can see a lot of things, different plants, a lot of different types of monkeys, and so yeah, it's cool.
Tentukan rumahnya apa udang ya. Lihat
up